Meaning of flyposter.
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 Flyposter. Flyposter refers to a person who illegally puts up advertising posters in public places, without permission from the authorities. These posters are usually stuck to walls, lampposts, and other surfaces using glue or tape. The aim is to promote events, products, or services, but this activity often causes visual pollution and can be a nuisance to local residents. Flyposting can also result in fines and legal action against individuals or organizations who engage in it. Overall, flyposting is a form of unregulated advertising that poses various problems for cities and communities.